Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 18 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 18 name is Shungas, Kanvas and Mahameghvanas. Question 1. The last Mauryan ruler who was killed by his commander-in-chief Pushyamitra Shung was A. Dashrath, B. Kunal, C. Samprati, D. Brihadrath. Answer is D. Brihadrath. Question 2. Who was the founder of Shunga dynasty? A. Pushyamitra, B. Agnimitra, C. Vasumitra, D. Vajramitra. Answer is A. Pushyamitra. Question 3. Who among the following was contemporary of Pushyamitra Shung? A. Patanjali, B. Kalidas, C. Heliodorus, D. Vasudev. Answer is A. Patanjali. Question 4. Pushyamitra, the founder ruler of Shung dynasty, performed how many Ashwamedha sacrifices? A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer is B, 2. Ashwamedha Yajna or horse sacrifice. Question 5. Who wrote Mahabhashya? A. Panini, B. Patanjali, C. Kalidas, D. Tulsidas. Answer is B. Patanjali. Question 6. Who wrote Malvikagni a 5-act drama based on Shung king Agnimitra's love for Vidarbha princess Malvika? A. Kalidas, B. Tulsidas, C. Agnimitra, D. Chanakya. Answer is A. Kalidas. Question 7. Who was the first Indo-Greek king who became Buddhist? A. Antiochus II, B. Apollodotus I, C. Apollodotus II, D. Menander II. Answer is D. Menander II. Question 8. Agnimitra, who is the hero of Kalidasa's Malvikagnimitram, was a king of which of the following dynasties? A. Shunga, B. Kanva, C. Satavahan, D. Maurya. Answer is A. Shunga dynasty. Question 9. During the reign of which of the following some Yavanas or Greeks converted to the Vaishnav cult? A. Nandas, B. Shakas, C. Satavahanas, D. Shungas. Answer is D. Shungas. Question 10. How the hero of Malvikagni Mitra of Kalidas was related to Pushyamitra Shung? A. His father, B. His grandfather, C. His brother, D. His son. Answer is D. His son. Question 11. Which among the following ancient play has referred to the defeat of Yavanas on the right bank of Sindhu river by Vasumitra, son of Agnimitra? A. Raghuvamsha, B. Malvikagnimitram, C. Vikramor Vashyam, D. Dasakumar Charita. Answer is B. Malvikagnimitram. Question 12. Which of the following was the second ruler of Shung dynasty who ruled for 8 years from 149 BC to 141 BC? A. Devbhuti, B. Brihadrath, C. Pushyamitra Shung, D. Agnimitra. Answer is D. Agnimitra ruled from 149 BC to 141 BC. Question 13. Which of the following kings became the ruler of the Shunga dynasty after the death of Agnimitra? A. Bhagbhadra, B. Devbhuti, C. Pulindaka, D. Vasumitra. Answer is D. Vasumitra. He ruled from 131 BC to 124 BC. Question 14. Which of the following kings was the last ruler of Shung dynasty? A. Agnimitra, B. Devbhuti, C. Pulindak, D. Brihadrath. Answer is B. Devbhuti. He ruled from 83 BC to 75 BC. Question 15. Which of the following period saw the emergence of various mixed castes? A. Mauryan period, B. Shunga period, C. Kanva period, D. Gupta period. Answer is B. Shunga period. It lasted from 185 BC to 75 BC. Question 16. Which of the following dynasty was Brahmin in origin? A. Mauryan dynasty, B. Shunga dynasty, C. Kanva dynasty, D. Gupta dynasty. Answer is B. Shunga dynasty. Question 17. Who killed Devbhuti and founded Kanva dynasty? A. Narayan Kanv, B. Bhumimitra Kanv, C. Vasudev Kanv, D. Brihadrath. Answer is C. Vasudev Kanv. He ruled from 73 BC to 64 BC. Question 18. Which of the following kings succeeded Vasudev Kanv? A. Bhumimitra Kanv, B. Narayan Kanv, C. Susharman, D. Brihadrath. Answer is A. Bhumimitra Kanv. He ruled from 64 BC to 50 BC. Question 19. In which of the following centuries Kalinga again rose to power after the decline of Mauryan Empire and were known as Chedi dynasty? A. 1st century BC, B. 2nd century BC, C. 1st century AD, D. 2nd century AD. Answer is A. 1st century BC. Question 20. Mahameghvana dynasty was also known as which dynasty? A. Shunga dynasty, B. Kanva dynasty, C. Chedi dynasty, D. Gupta dynasty. Answer is C. Chedi dynasty. Question 21. Kaling's king Kharvel was associated with which dynasty? A. Rath Bhojak dynasty, B. Haryanka dynasty, C. Satvahana dynasty, D. Mahameghvana dynasty. Answer is D. Mahameghvana dynasty. Question 22. Against which of the following kingdoms did Kharvel lead successful campaigns? A. Chola, B. Satvahan, Ang and Magad, C. Cheras and D. Pandyas. Answer is B. Satvahan, Ang and Magad kingdoms. Question 23. What was the religion of Kaling king Kharvel? A. Buddhism, B. Jainism, C. Brahmanism, D. Shaivism. Answer is B. Jainism. Question 24. Who inscribed Hathi Gumpha inscription in a cavern means large cave, called Hathi Gumpha in Udaygiri Hills near Bhubaneswar in Odisha? A. Ashoka, B. Pushyamitra, C. Kharvel, D. Brihaspati Mitra. Answer is C. Kharvel. Question 25. What is the meaning of Udaygiri? A. Sunrise Hill, B. Moonrise Hill, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Sunrise Hill. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.